guys, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited because today I have a little unboxing for you that I think you might be excited about. The Chanel holiday gift sets are starting to trickle in. First, if you're new here, my name is Laura. I do videos on luxury handbags, beauty, shopping, sometimes travel. So if those are topics that interest you, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So first, let's talk about this year's 5 holiday gift sets. First, we have this blue, it's sort of like a denim blue color with gold thread throughout, and then we have a white one also with gold thread throughout. Now there are 3 sets in the blue, and the first of the 3 sets is a sight to see. This one comes with the volumizing mascara in the black as well as their waterproof eyeliner, and this set retails for $78. The second set in the collection is Absolute Allure. This retails for $92. It also includes a mascara and their Rouge Allure, which is their red lipstick. The third is their classic lip gloss trio set. Now this lip gloss trio is the same lip gloss trio that was released last year. There are no new colors this year, but if you liked that set or maybe you missed out, this is your opportunity to pick it up. This one retails for $113, and the colors in the set are Bourgeoisie, Noche Moscata, and Melted Honey. Next up, we have the sets that come in the white bags. The first one is Easy Come, Easy Glow. This one retails for $97. It includes their Essential Balm in the color Transparent, as well as the Rouge Cocoa Plum in the color Natural Charm. And then finally, we have the On The Go Moisture Set. This one retails for $82. It includes their Camellia Oil, as well as a Rouge Cocoa Balm. This one is in the clear or transparent Rouge Cocoa Balm, and those are the 5 holiday gift sets they have released this year. Now, last year they had a few more sets that they did not include this year. At least I don't see them in anything that's been released. I asked my SA and she said these are the only ones that she has seen so far. Last year we had the bronzer set, which is a really popular set. We also had the cleansing duo set, which was very popular as well, and that's one of the sets that I picked up, and to be honest, I'm a little disappointed that they don't have it this year because this set lasts such a long time. I've been using the cream cleanser since I bought it last year, and while I do sometimes alternate my cleansers, I still have some of this cleanser left. I haven't completely finished it, and then I have the foaming cleanser, the full bottle left, so it was a really great purchase. I'm kind of bummed to see that they didn't bring them out again this year. They also had a hand cream and nail polish set that they didn't release this year as well, and actually they didn't release any sets that had the hand cream, which is surprising because the hand cream is such a classic gift. Last year they also released 2 more sets. They were fragrance sets. I believe they came out later on in like November, closer to the holidays, and there was a set for ladies and one for gentlemen. I'm not sure if that's going to happen again this year, but I wouldn't be surprised if they did something similar. And now for the unboxing, there's only one set that really picked up my attention this year, and it's the Easy Come, Easy Glow set. Now this is the beautiful packaging for the holiday sets this year. It comes in this nice gold box with the beautiful gifts, the nice Chanel logo detail, so a really beautiful presentation. Now reading the back of the box, the description says Easy Come, Easy Glow makeup set. Illuminate the complexion and lips in a single stroke with this radiant makeup duo. Set includes Balm Essential, multi-use glow stick in transparent, and Rouge Cocoa Balm hydrating beautifying tinted lip balm, buildable color in 914 Natural Charm, presented in an elegant pouch. Now let me just pull out the gift bag. Here is the beautiful white gift bag, and it's upside down, but you can see that they really go in with the gold detail. Now the other bag, I'll put a picture on the screen, is just like this, except it's in the denim dark blue sort of color. But I think it's a lot prettier than in the preview pictures. We couldn't really tell the detail in the preview pictures, and I think this one really stands out, and it's just nice and beautiful. I know that a lot of people like to turn this into a little bag. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube on how to do this hack and create a bag out of this. They don't have the little loops that the bags 2 years ago had, so they're a little bit harder, but I do believe they have conversion kits. If I find any, I'll link them down below. But I think out of the 2, this one is like the most festive if you want to do that for the holidays. The zipper on top is gold, and of course the zipper has a little Chanel detail on it. Let me see if I can get a good close-up of that for you guys. So let's just go ahead and open it up. And inside are the two products that come with this gift set. We have the multi-use glow stick in the color Transparent. It So let me pull that out of the box. So here it is. You have the nice Chanel detail up top, and then opening it up, this is what the glow stick looks like. And this stick is meant to be a moisturizing balm, so you can use it on your lips, you can use it on your face, on your eyelids. And again, this is the shade Transparent. This is sold out online, so if you're looking for this glow stick, then this would be the perfect set to pick it up in. Now the set also includes the Rouge Cocoa Balm and the color Natural Charm. This is another color that's currently sold out on their website, so if you're looking for this lip balm in this specific shade, then I would go ahead and pick up this gift set. Now here is the tube. The cocoa balms come in this beautiful white tube with the gold detail around, and let me just open it up so that you can see the shade. Now these are lip balms, so they're not meant to be super pigmented, but they're meant to hydrate the lips and leave a little bit of color. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys so that you can see exactly what this shade looks like on the skin. Now I also have this cocoa balm in another color. This is the shade Pink Delight. It's a very popular shade as well. So let me just swatch it right next to the Natural Charm color. And as you can see, the one on the right, of course, as it's called, is a little bit pinkier, but this is a really great natural color as well. So I'm really happy that I have this. All right, guys, well, that's it for today's video. I will link all of the gift sets as soon as they become available in the description box below. I don't know if they'll be available online by the time I post this video, but they are starting to trickle into the Chanel beauty boutiques. So if you're really eager to get your hands on them before they sell out, I would highly recommend popping into a boutique, asking them if they have them yet. When I went in, they were not on display yet, but my SA had texted me that they had just gotten them the day before I'm posting this video. So just an FYI, because these always sell out. I wasn't sure of the pouches. I wasn't really excited when I saw the previews of them, honestly, but I do think they're very beautiful, particularly this gorgeous white and gold one. I think the Easy Glow set will probably be one of the more popular sets, along with the lip gloss trio. That one is always one of the first to sell out. So if you are worried about these selling out, I would go ahead and pick one up ASAP. As soon as these become available, I'll post them in the link below. I'll also post them on my community tab, so make sure that you have the notifications on and you're subscribed, because I'll post them there as soon as I see them, and they usually sell out really quickly, so you want to make sure you have that bell turned on. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.